Okay. So can you
मतलब people are talking about this film actually. Buzz है
Yeah.
market में थोड़ा.
Yeah, trailer really worked well.
You actually.
No, I don't want.
Yeah, especially the film.
Start कर देंगे. अच्छा हो चुका
You manage the
Hello.
done
Hello.
Oh my God.
Hello
Good
शिल्पा जी.
हेलो रोहित जी, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया मस्त एकदम.
सारे
हेलो प्रोड्यूसर जी, कैसे हैं?
रिलीज से पहले जैसे हो सकते हैं वैसे ही.
अच्छा.
You're looking very pretty, ma'am.
Thank you very much. You're all looking very good as well, and I see lovely pictures of us behind.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you all nervous? 7 November.
Yeah, I mean, I'm nervous. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm curious.
Same.
Whatever.
All the adjectives.
Adjectives. Yes.
Hey, nervous
Yeah.
actually शिविन को होना चाहिए बेचारा. कहते हैं प्रोड्यूसर ही सबसे ज्यादा वो रहता है कि कंट्रीब्यूशन तो सबका है.
पूजा पाठ में लगे रहते हैं.
नहीं मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन सबका है बट जो मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन जो रहता है कहीं ना कहीं जो रिस्क फैक्टर है वो कहीं ना कहीं शिविर का. तो इसको ज्यादा वो होगा कि भैया.
मैं तो सही ये देख रहा था कि ये जो मैंने ट्रेलर देखा जो सोने की बात हो रही है, सोना आ रहा है हमारे यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हैं सोना है.
मैं सब लेके जाने
तो
वाली हूँ.
सोना की चॉकलेट है. क्या है वो?
तो हम सब एक ही टीम में
हाँ.
हमें हम सबको सोना चाहिए.
लेकिन फाइनली वो है ना चाहिए था सोना निकला कुछ और.
हाँ.
निकला कुछ और तो वो कहते ना वो ये अगर नहीं होते तो मैनेज भी नहीं होती वो चीजें. मतलब ऐसा है.
Actually.
हैं?
Right now, you
Oh.
can take the sona if you want.
This one, huh?
Yeah. You'll put on more calories. This is chocolate.
Is it really a chocolate?
Yeah.
I want to see.
मुझे भी एक.
Actually chocolate है.
क्या बात.
Okay, मैं सबको दूंगी.
एक्चुअली वी स्टार्टेड द फिल्म है मतलब स्टार्ट हमसे होता है ठीक है. ये दोनों बलि के बकरे बने. ये रवि और इंद्रानी. इंदिरा जी ये दोनों मतलब बलि के इनको कुछ पता ही नहीं कि क्या हो रहा है. तो वो एक है इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट.
वही तो माया है.
हाँ?
वही तो माया है
Sir,
कि तुम्हें पता
tell the
भी नहीं.
entire story, sir. Why do they come to the theatre?
The best part of the shooting was Pradeep ji. The fun we had with him.
अरे
Really. Fun we had. He got angry with Chaitanya one day on the set, and Chaitanya threw. I'm going away. And I'm looking at sir. ये चैतन्य चले जाएगा तो मेरा क्या होगा? चैतन्य please चैतन्य को बुलाओ. फिर चैतन्य comes and I said, what is the problem? You ignore everything. Sit next to me and just give me prompting. Don't do anything else. It was hilarious. But you tell me, Shivan, how has your experience been with all of us in the film?
मतलब मैं तो ये कहना चाहूँगा कि किसी के भी लिए and especially when you are producing something
Absolutely.
it's very important. The right team is very important. The right cast is very important. And जो विजन सोचा था ओरिजिनली वो निकल के आ जाए या 80-90% भी मैच हो जाए. बिकॉज यूजुअली फिल्म्स में क्या होता है हम सोचते
Correct,
कुछ है
correct.
स्क्रिप्ट पे जब निकलते हैं तो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट देखते हैं तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ऐड हो जाती हैं. बट जो विजन था जो फर्स्ट डे से जब हम आई एम श्योर मैं प्रेरणा सुधीर सर वेंकट वी ऑल सैट एंड थॉट कि अच्छा कुछ ऐसी फिल्म होगी या ऐसी लगेगी वो आज दिख रही है. तो दैट इज आई गेस द बिगेस्ट
Yeah,
सेटिस्फैक्शन.
true.
एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज अबाउट द कास्टिंग बिकॉज जब हम सोच रहे थे क्योंकि किसी भी एक कैरेक्टर जो लिखा हुआ कैरेक्टर है उसको लाइफ देना उसके कैरेक्टर्स दिखना आई गेस दैट्स द बिगेस्ट थिंग.
Yeah.
तो इसकी चाहे डिस्कशंस हो या इसका जो थॉट हो सबसे पहले ऑब्वियसली आई फील इसका जो स्टार्ट था वो प्रेरणा का था. एंड अभी मैं और शिल्पा जी बात भी कर रहे थे बिकॉज मी एज अ फैन आई हैव ऑलवेज सीन शिल्पा जी प्लेइंग ऑल द मतलब एकदम होता नहीं है एक स्वीट
Sweet, innocent.
संस्कारी
yeah.
एक सबसे मतलब होता है द गुड वन.
Yeah.
बट इन दिस ट्रेलर जो रूप निकल के आ रहा है अभी वो कैसा होगा गुड होगा बैड
Bad
होगा
होगा।
इविल होगा वो नहीं पता. बट जो निकल के आ रहा है मैम
हाँ जी.
दैट इज
वो जो निकल गया मतलब हमारे लिए वो
हाँ.
वैसा है त्राहिमाम त्राहिमाम.
क्योंकि जब वो ट्रेलर में वो शॉट आता है एंड इट्स लाइक ओके थोड़ा सा मतलब
Yeah, yeah.
यू टेकन अबैक.
I also am taken aback.
बट
So my daughter, I have
इसमें
to
ना
tell you, I have to
sorry,
tell you one
please
thing.
continue.
My daughter and my husband said after they saw the trailer, oh my, my husband's reaction was, oh my God, how did Prerna envision what I have been seeing for 20 years? I'm like, can you stop? I mean, how can you say that? And my daughter's like, you know, if I see this trailer, I won't get sleep in the night. I said, just shut up and watch it. It's Mama. Then she watches it. And then she tells me, saying, Mama, too good. I just want to tell Prerna auntie one thing, that, you know, the mama that is, she's actually brought life to that. The world will see her now. So yeah, but just to be on an honest note, I'm not like that.
Really?
Yeah, I'm very sweet.
Oh, really? Okay, cool.
So then what do you think? Really looking really cool. People will think I'm lying.
Yeah, it's a surprise for me also.
बट
Finally.
मैंने एक चीज
हाँ,
देखी
Finally, I
इसमें
meant to say it's a surprise in the sense
अच्छा,
that you
what?
pulled
हाँ.
pull it off
on
on
screen.
screen.
वेंकट का मैंने जो देखा चीज मतलब ही सो मच क्लियर अबाउट द शॉट्स ना
Yeah.
कि जब उसने मुझे नरेट किया ये स्क्रिप्ट जब हम वहीं पे होटल में बैठे होटल रूम में आया एंड व्हेन ही नरेटेड द स्क्रिप्ट ना तो मतलब मैं विजुलाइज करने लगा वो मतलब चीज आपको सीन दिखने लगते हैं
100%.
मतलब इतना क्लियर तो मतलब एक कहीं भी एक कंफ्यूजन कुछ रहता ही नहीं कि मुझे करना क्या क्या है और जैसा आपने बताया कि वो जो हमने शूट किया जितने भी आज शूट किया सबका एक प्रॉपर एक कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है चीजों में
100%.
चीज मतलब टफ टाइम भी देखा हमने 45 डिग्रीज में
हाँ,
शूट
of
कर रहे हैं
course,
लोग
yeah.
faint हो रहे हैं जब मैं मुंबई से ट्रैवल कर रहा था तो मेरे को भावनी ने बोला कि सर ऐसे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ये 2-3 लोग फेंट हो गए मैं लगा अरे कमाल मतलब उसमें भी वो सब चीजों को इग्नोर करते हुए
Yeah.
और आगे बढ़ना और फाइनली ये होता है कि जब प्रोडक्ट जो ट्रेलर देखा
The end product, yeah.
ट्रेलर देखा तो ऐसा लगा यार जो हमने किया ना शायद
Yeah.
बहुत है मतलब है ना कुछ तो भी ऐसा तो वही कहते हैं ना कि लाइफ में अगर आपका मतलब एक सक्सेस मिलने के बाद वो स्ट्रगल फिर याद नहीं रहता सक्सेस ऐसी होनी चाहिए आपकी तो वो
Correct.
चीज कहीं
Yeah,
ना
उन
कहीं
दोनों का भी Abhishek and Venkat, their
Correct.
combination was really good.
Yeah,
Right.
I
Usually
agree.
two
Understanding बहुत
directors on
अच्छी थी
the
उनकी।
set.
There's always a
Ju-
clash.
Hardware
there's a
software
very good
जैसा
understanding, huh?
proper combination, you know.
I guess जैसे हमारी
Venkat was clear with
hun-
his idea and Abhishek execution was so prompt. Huh?
जो ट्रेलर का लास्ट शॉट है, what is that? And how did you manage to? It is something I never thought I was going to see. It was like, I used to, मतलब जब पूरा ट्रेलर देखा हो कि हम लोगों ने काम भी किया था तो हम लोगों को थोड़ा आइडिया था कि हम लोग ऐसे दिख सकते हैं, you know, whatever. But that last shot of you drinking blood.
हाँ यार,
I mean, please,
Sorry,
I know
yeah.
we are
That
very
was-
close to the release
Yeah,
and we want the audience to know. But as your co-actor, I am very curious that what the hell was that?
really वो बहुत
Actually, there was this moment wherein Sonakshi possesses me, so that was there.
Oh, very nice.
But actually, nobody didn't know what I'm going to do. I just told them, get a plain glass because I can't lick on the floor, right?
Correct.
I said, get a transparent glass, keep it aside. If everybody liked it, then I'll try this. And immediately after hitting my head, and then I didn't even get up. I said, keep the camera there, get the glass. Because I was scared where you put the glass, it's all
Yeah.
get dirty and I have to lick the dirt and all that. Then I said, put the blood, put some leaves around it. So it was interesting.
It's come out very interesting.
It's come
Sudhir.
out, yeah. But some part of it is going to cut, I guess, in the censor.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Some part. But the feel is there. But people have already saw in the trailer. So
Yeah,
it's,
I know.
I'm happy.
एक नवीन सर का मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा था सर सारे पूछ रहे हैं कि आपने वैसे तो ऑब्वियसली जो दिख रहा है गाने में लग रहा है आपने बहुत एंजॉय किया
Yeah,
पल्लू लटके में
but shot was morning 5 o'clock. Shoot was
That-
not looking like morning
That
5
doesn't
o'clock.
matter.
No.
हाँ.
Bhavani calling me at evening. Naveen, you have a call sheet on 6 o'clock. Come at 5:30, okay? Okay, I'll come at 5 o'clock. Evening 4:30, morning 4:30 is there. Opposite came. Naveen sir, good morning. Sir, my shot is not this. बहुत मजा आया. After seeing output trailer, I'm enjoying a lot. I forgot everything.
Good. I know. Same here. You know, like that sequence that we shot was, I think, 10 days?
10-12
10,
days
12 days.
easily
Yeah.
Literally, it had happened the third day onwards. Naak se kala, और कान
Shine.
से काला.
हाँ.
मतलब we used to go to the room and हम लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है कि हम लोग किस कंडीशंस में एक्चुअली काम करते हैं. वो सेट पे जाते थे तो पूरा ग्लूमी तेल से, you know, it was to be so horrible. But like you said correctly, when you see the end result, I think it's worth every
Yeah, I agree.
everything
every-
that you go through in the film.
True.
Such a good feeling. It's
At least to a certain extent, you had this space wherein the entire atmosphere was neat, clean.
yeah.
You see the climax. Dua uda do. I was like, dua uda. Every time Abhishek used to say dua uda, then I was like,
No, but it's. I
you
think
go
it's a
back
tough.
to the room and you sneeze.
Yeah.
It's all black.
Black. I know. Yeah.
Black, brown.
And you were too good, bare chested, and I'm sure those harnesses and all must have been a different thing
Yeah,
for
they-
you, no, Sudhir?
Yeah, there's one shot, a couple of shots wherein we had to be on the rope. Generally, the harness comes like you have support at the
Yeah.
legs and also on the top body.
Yeah.
So because I'm bare body, then we cannot have this. So a couple of sequences wherein I still remember I had to just, Sonakshi throws me away like this, then I have to fly. I was always going upside down because there's no
On top,
on
yeah,
the
support on top.
harness, yes. But it's looking very natural also. It worked for the film. Luckily, I didn't hit my
Hurt
head. so-
yourself, yeah.
yeah. But for her especially, 90% of the time she's in there. Even your sequence, she's in there.
Right.
Yeah.
And for her to wear the harness and again on top of the costume, it's
And that costume with so much gold and 3 hours of getting ready and
It's a
It's a tough
very,
one.
I guess as an actor, how Sonakshi ji has played this role. And it's a challenging role. मतलब, you know, कोई भी अभी तो recently हमने कितने सारे obviously we have seen from Dabang to different
true,
films.
yeah.
This is something, obviously it's a Telugu debut.
Yeah.
And plus this kind of a role. Usually
Contrast, completely
all the actors
contrast
want to be
sequence
little safe that okay, if it's a love story or if it's
Yeah,
action
yeah.
thriller and all these kind
Similar
of roles.
genre, लेकिन
Similar genre. It just
fully
feels
अलग है.
because you just feel safe. Okay, I know this, I can perform this. You're doing a different language film,
yeah.
playing this kind of a role, and you were like
Hey, she's a
honestly, I
pop-
was like,
I get
I
to
was
say,
like,
agree.
कि कैसे होगा?
Yeah.
How will it look?
True.
And it's a very big question mark till you're not on the set, till
Yeah,
you're not
yeah,
performing.
of course, yeah.
So after seeing and how she was like really enjoying it, you were like, done.
Yeah.
अपना काम हो गया. And trailer में तो it's looking superb. And the hard work with Sonakshi ji,
Yeah,
Sudhir sir,
yeah. It's,
they both for the climax part or whatever you have seen in the
Yeah.
trailer, all the fight sequence, crazy. मतलब
I
मुझे भी
think
लगता था कि
I'm
thank God.
waiting. I'm so waiting to see the film.
एक चीज मुझे जो सबसे अच्छी लगी थी ना, जब मैंने स्टार्टिंग में फिल्म सुनी थी, मैं सुधीर सर एंड प्रेरणा वाज देयर, जो सर का जो फर्स्ट डायलॉग है, आई एम अ घोस्ट बस्टर
Yeah,
एंड
yeah,
आई
yeah.
डोंट बिलीव इन घोस्ट. सो आई वाज लाइक ये क्या कैरेक्टर
Hi,
है?
hi, Sudhir.
Late watcher, time watcher, my girlfriend.
Hi. Hi. Acha, you're giving a chocolate? Thank you. సినిమాలలో ఇవ్వలేదు.
సార్ మీ సాంగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గురించి చెప్పండి.
ఆ సాంగ్కి అంత మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుందని నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. దీనికి నవీన్కి ఎలాగా ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ 4 o'clock 5 o'clock షూట్ లాగా మనకేమో ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ 2 o'clock 12:30 1:30 3 o'clock ఆ టైంలో షూట్ చేసాం అనమాట. ఏదో క్యాజువల్గా షూట్ చేసాము, బట్ ఆ మ్యూజిక్ దానికి యాడ్ అయిన తర్వాత దట్ సాంగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ
Yeah.
సూదింగ్, వెరీ
The
సూదింగ్.
Lori one, no?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Lori one.
very nice.
సో అది మంచి
Okay.
ఐడెంటిటీ ఇచ్చింది మనకి.
Oh.
ఒక డెఫినెట్గా బాగా పాపులర్ అయిపోయి పిల్లలు ఎప్పుడు ఏడుస్తా ఉన్నా సరే మా పాట ప్లే చేసుకుంటారు. शिल्पा जी एक डायलॉग बोलते हैं तेलुगु में, आप मैं प्रॉम्प्टिंग देता हूँ, आप बोलिएगा.
हाँ. मतलब मीनिंग क्या है वो भी बता दीजिए तो इमोशन सही आ जाएंगे. पहले आप मीनिंग बताइए मुझे.
देवी बिड्ड क्षेमम कोसम ఈ పూజ చెయ్యాలి.
प्रॉम्प्टिंग इतने एक एक सेंटेंस साथ में नहीं होता. देवी पिट्टा कोसम
ఈ
బిడ్డ
పూజ
కోసం,
చెయ్యాలి. ఈ పూజ చెయ్యాలి.
देवी
బిడ్డ కోసం,
బిడ్డ కోసం
బిడ్డ క్షేమం కోసం.
క్షేమం కోసం
దేవి బిడ్డ క్షేమం కోసం
ఈ పూజ
ఈ పూజ
చేయాలి.
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 పర్ఫెక్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్లాప్ క్లాప్ క్లాప్.
अभी ये इतना शार्प मंत्र बोलते हैं ना,
चैतन्य अभी चैतन्य का है. चैतन्य रवि जी इज टेकिंग योर पोजीशन.
జనరల్గా సినిమా కోసం చాలా కష్టపడుతుంటారు కదా, ఎస్పెషలీ క్లైమాక్స్ కోసం మీరు ఎంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేశారు? లైక్
Hard work.
మామూలుగా జిమ్ ఫ్రీకర్ మీరు, మామూలుగా సినిమా క్లైమాక్స్ కోసం
జిమ్ సినిమా కోసం
No, it
gym
was,
freak.
I mean, అంత కష్టపడిపోయాను అయితే చెప్పను. It wasn't very tough, but it needed some prep. Sivatandavam కొద్దిగా it was a little tough because I never did classical before. So first time I had to do that too barefoot కొద్దిగా. So there was కొద్దిగా భయం వేసింది, but a little bit of practice for 1 week and I was there.
కానీ చేసినప్పుడు మా స్క్రీన్ మీద మేము ఏం విజువల్ అయితే చూస్తున్నామో మీకు ఆ వైబ్రేషన్ ఏదైనా ఫీల్ అయ్యారా? లైక్
Yeah, the పాటలోనే ఉంది. The song was there. Song మనం వింటుంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ రిలీజ్ చేశాం కదా, the song was very very good. అది ఆ బీట్స్ కానీ ఐ మీన్ ఇట్స్ థియేటర్లో చూసేటప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ షూర్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ చాలా హై ఫీల్ అవుతుంది ఆడియన్స్ కూడా.
వెయిటింగ్.
Yeah.
మీ కో యాక్టర్ రాజేష్ వర్కింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది?
ఎవరు రాజేష్ ఎవరు? అరే మనం గోస్ట్ హంటింగ్ అన్నిసార్లు వెళ్ళాం. అసలు అసలు ఎక్విప్మెంట్ గురించి ఏం చెప్పరు. గోస్ట్ హంటింగ్ గురించి ఏంటి? గోస్ట్ బస్టర్ ఏం చేస్తాడు నీకు తెలిసిందా? అసలు నువ్వు దయ్యాలు నమ్ముతావా?
నమ్ముతుంటే ఇప్పుడు పూర్వకాలంలో కొంచెం అలా కొంచెం భయం అయితే ఉంది దయ్యం.
దేవుడు నమ్ముతావా?
దేవుడు నమ్ము
ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఈ సినిమా ద్వారా అన్నీ తెలిసిపోయింది కదా, ఎలాగా కనుక్కోవచ్చు దయ్యం ఎక్కడ ఉందో ఏంటి అనేది.
నా చెప్పాను
అదే బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ యూ హావెంట్ సీన్ మై క్యారెక్టర్ అండ్ హైస్. నో,
No.
ఐఎమ్ ఏ గోస్ట్ హంటర్.
Huh.
Earlier, because I mean, once something like I'm supposed to do this role of ghost hunter, then I try to Google and how the ghost hunters go and do and all that stuff. And there's sometimes wherein, even in our real life, we must have experienced here and there certain things, but we will think that it's a common phenomenon, it's a coincidence or something like. For example, you go to a place wherein people say it's a haunted place or something, and you go there and you see some breeze coming somewhere you can't breathe. Your pulse is higher.
Yeah.
You normally think it's because of certain reasons, but once you're a ghost hunter, then because then there are certain equipments wherein you can figure out how you can figure out where, is there a ghost or it's just a coincidence of air coming in and all that. I try to explain, but I know it's not. But go watch the film. Go watch the film. You'll get a better understanding
Yeah.
of.
I think that's a good idea, Sudhir. We have to all go on the 7 to understand how these ghosts are caught.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
అంటే మీరు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేశారా సార్ నిజంగానే?
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కాదు, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఒకసారి సినిమా చేసేటప్పుడు డాక్యుమెంటరీ అంతా చూస్తుండే, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంతా చూస్తుండే కనుక there are many times wherein you go to a place and you feel claustrophobic, where your pulse is high. Sometimes you hear some sound and you don't see anything. It could be a spirit. It could be. So in case professional paranormal researchers, they can figure out if there is an entity over there or not. So in case you watch this film, then you'll have an idea what are the equipments you use to figure out if there is a ghost or not.
సో మూవీ రిలీజ్
Shilpa
అయ్యాక
ma'am, tell me something. You have the vast shooting experience, okay? And it is said that in a lot of
Places.
sets, places, because we shoot around the world and different locations, and sometimes they're haunted. So have you personally encountered something like that?
No, I haven't personally encountered ghosts, but I believe in the thing of spirits. I don't know. I think ghost people think is very scary.
Yeah.
Spirit and ghost actually same ही है ना?
Yeah, in the film also there's one dialogue wherein we say not all ghosts are friendly.
A
Or
friend.
there are few ghosts which are very friendly and which were very dangerous also. I've seen a couple of real series on ghost hunting and all, how they go and interact with the ghosts. So they normally go and have an interaction. You have this EMF machine, they put it over there and they ask a question like, you like to interact with us, blink once or something like that. So in case they don't want to interact, then it blinks twice and they go. So
So they,
there
it
are-
does
there are-
blink.
yeah, it does blink.
Oh wow.
That's
They
what
have
I'm
that
saying.
machines,
हाँ.
which
Yeah.
in the film also
जो
we
हम
have
लोग
some.
देखेंगे ना 7 तारीख की मशीन कौन सी है? फिर I think very
कौन सी
soon
machine?
everybody will have that machine in the pocket.
machine.
कुछ नहीं,
सब order
instead of
करके detect the
sanitizer,
ghost,
people will
huh?
have machine.
Possible.
Rohit sir, what about you? Have you had any experience like that? कोई ऐसा
एक्सपीरियंस मतलब एक्सपीरियंस तो ऐसा सच नहीं है, बट व्हाट आई बिलीव कि इफ आई बिलीव इन गॉड ना, तो डेफिनेटली द घोस्ट आल्सो एग्जिस्ट इन दिस वर्ल्ड.
true.
पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, जब हम दोनों एनर्जी की बात करते हैं तो बोथ एनर्जी ऑलवेज एग्जिस्ट इन दिस, मतलब जो भी अपने
Universe में.
यूनिवर्स में आप बात करो, तो ऐसा इंटरेक्शन हुआ नहीं है, बट आई बिलीव इन घोस्ट.
there were encounters? There was no ghost. I say, as you mentioned that there is nothing like ghost coming in, and luckily not till now. But yes, I guess how. So this is also explained that usually how Ghostbusters go, and sometimes आप कई बार कोई जगह जाते हैं. Sometimes you go to a place which is little secluded, or maybe it can be someone's house also.
Correct.
You just feel there is goosebumps.
Sir, you are
you're
ghost
here.
lover, right?
Yeah,
You are
I'm
ghost lover.
I'm ghost lover. So I guess that kind of experiences, yes, but I still believe the power of God is
हाँ.
much bigger than that.
करेक्ट.
And हमें सिखाया जाता है ना बचपन से, if there is anything, you just do Hanuman Chalisa or just pray or whatever you believe, whatever your religion is or whatever your belief is, just I guess that belief is bigger than anything else. And that's why Jatadhara.
That has
Jatadhara.
happened. It's scientific also, and there is a
Yeah,
history,
mythology, yes,
tradition,
yes.
everything together. Yeah, actually true. Because even when you see the film, when they talk about your career path or your profession, it's a ghost hunter, and you come with machines. You made your own machine to figure things out, and then there is this tradition that has happened, जिसके वजह से
Yeah.
धन पिशाचनी है. So I think it is a very good
Yeah.
way, or a very good
I
way
guess,
to show.
I guess the most interesting and very important conversation which started with the trailer is about the black magic. You know, that topic itself is like, it is to be heard. Like right now, if you go to your reels, your videos, even there, or people outside, if somebody is successful, then also you say, "Arey, इसने तो ऐसा किया है, ये पूजा किया है." If somebody is not doing well also, so then
किसी ने
also
उसमें
say, "No,
किया है."
किसी ने उस
Yeah,
पे कर दिया."
mostly
So,
people curious about this black magic and everything.
that topic is rising. If I personally say, that is rising. People are blaming each other. People are talking about it. There are podcasts which are happening about it, and even the people who are professors at a big post or highly knowledgeable people, I'll say, they're also coming and talking about these things and giving a scientific justification about it. And with this film, how in the trailer itself, how it is like, if you see the black magic, the whole scenes about black magic and what it is happening, just scares you. Plus, it obviously gives you a comfort that okay, there is some science going on. There were very interesting scenes about the machines or this and that.
Yeah.
So in a way, I feel the youth also, and also the people who believes that okay, this happens. Obviously, don't have a scientific terminology to explain this. They say that science is only what can be explained. That is science.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
Nature or God is here.
Yeah.
Science is over here, but it is
Correct.
growing. It's giving you reasons to
But go
explain itself, but still, obviously, that magical power is something else.
and yeah, absolutely.
బాలీవుడ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ టీమ్ తో వర్క్ చేసిన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
The working style over there, the working style over here, it's little different. Initially, to understand those things would take some time. I think, I mean, if I have to explain it very easily, saying, I mean, as a sports, దానిలో చెప్పాలంటే initially I used to play, we play district, we play state, we play nationals. But whatever sport you're playing, it is the same. It's a different place wherein we trying to, I mean, portray our talent. That's the only thing. Initially, there will be some certain things because the call sheet timings, the way the protocols, reporting, I mean, all those things are little tough to understand initially. But once we got a hang of it, it was easy.
How's your experience to working with Tollywood actors, sir?
So first of all, I in all my interviews or whenever I'm having any conversation with anybody, I just feel destiny plays a very important role. And anybody, it is said that the land should accept you. It is said for the Mumbai also. It is said for Hyderabad also. Talking about me personally as a producer, taking a step inside in a Telugu industry. First of all, I really love the honesty, the passion. People are ready to put in. There's no shortcuts. They don't want that, okay, yaar, फटाफट कर लेते हैं, ऐसा खत्म कर देते हैं. So that honesty is something I really value. Writing is really very good. I feel writing is something, emotions are something that's a highlight. Mostly these days, if you watch any good films in Telugu which are doing really well, if you just watch them, you just into it that, oh my God. And people are giving examples, whether any genre. But I just want to say that God has been kind, that they have showed us this path. We have met people and got accepted in this industry very beautifully, and getting a lot of support for this film, getting a lot of support for the encouragement to do something like this, to move beyond boundaries. Obviously in Mumbai you have done different things in Bollywood but right now in Telugu, how the subjects are coming out, like films like these are made. And it's an honest thing. We're not mixing ke, "Acha, ye bhi dal diya." We could have made it more comedy or something like that. But all the topics or the stories, they are honest to what they want to make. So that is something I am very grateful for, and grateful to everybody for this belief. Because as an actor also, as a star also, there should be a belief that okay, let's collaborate.
True.
So it's a good collaboration. It's a pan-India collaboration, and
Superb.
we're giving a pan-India film now.
Well done to all of us. I think sitting here, we've all worked very hard. And we only hope that the 7th of November is as successful for us as it is for our industry as well. I think every film should do well because it's not about you, me, or it's about the industry put together. Every film needs to do well for the industry to grow. So, yeah, good luck. Thank
Good
you.
luck. Thank you. Thank you.
Shivan,
Thank
thank
you,
you, Prerna.
everyone.
Thank you to Z Studios.
November
And,
7th is the
yeah.
date. Please
November
do watch it in
Please,
theaters.
yes.
Jatadhara.
जाके देखिए,
Don't miss it.